Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect Android phone with another Android phone or another phone that you have. So this is the tutorial how you can control another phone with yours. So all you have to do is go to the Play Store and try to search TeamViewer. So there are some TeamViewer here, but for the primary phone, the phone that you want to share, you can install this TeamViewer remote control. Here you can control the other phone easily. A simple management of your even you can control your computer or PC with this TeamViewer remote control. So use this app to remotely control other devices. So you can install it. And for the second phone that you want to control, you can install TeamViewer Quick Support. Here you can share your mobile screen in real time, get support from remote desktop or another mobile devices, and so on. So after you install it, you can follow the step, and this is how you can connect it. Is your ID. If you notice this picture, there is your ID. You can share your ID that have is TeamViewer Quick Support installed. So this TeamViewer Quick Support will share the ID and copy the ID into your first or your primary phone that have a TeamViewer remote control. So feel free to try to connect Android phone with your another phone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click that button below. See you in the next video.